Say in the last class I told you what is file. File is a collection of information. Examples: songs, videos, doc, PPTs, all are examples for files. Okay, it's a collection of data. Say in the Python provides some functions. Python provides some functions like open, open, read. Okay, similarly read lines, close, these kind of functions. All these functions will enable to read the data. Okay, so open is a method which allows you to open the function, and we can open the file in multiple modes: in read mode, in append mode, okay, in append mode, in write mode, in execute mode, in text mode, in binary mode. These are the modes. Okay, say for example, you see the example here, we are having demo file dot text, demo file dot text. Okay, so it is opened in write, read and T for text mode. Okay, so whenever we open the file, it will be having a pointer. Starting address will be assigned to F. Okay, F will be having, F is object, F is object which holds, F is object which holds starting address, which holds starting address of file. Okay, that is the meaning here. So we can see there demo.file.txt, it is opened in read mode and it has been printed. Okay, similarly, if you see the next example, we can open the file in a read only specific number of lines. Here we are reading 5 lines. Similarly, if you don't specify anything, it will print a single line. Okay, this function is read line. After the file is opened, you need to close it, you need to close it. Okay, so if there is already an existing file, we can append the data. Okay, if you write it, what happens is it will overwrite. Say I'll show you the demo now. Say I have opened this 6M 2020, this folder. Here I am creating a file, new text notepad I am creating. Okay, here I am creating notepad. Say the name of the notepad is, I'll give that one as Usha. Okay, Usha underscore tuition dot text. Okay, so after that you need to enter. So it has been created. If you want to know, you search for Usha. Okay, if you want to know its location, you need to right click, you click on properties. Here you can get the address. Here you can get the address of Usha underscore tuition. Okay, e drive, in the college subfolder, in the 6M 2020, we have created one text file, Usha tuition. Okay, say I'll type some content. I'll type some content in this. Say hello Usha, welcome to Python world. Okay, this is the thing. After this you need to save it. I'm creating a file. Now I'll go to the Python prompt. Here I'll create a file object. I'll open the file. Here you need to give the location. Here you need to give the entire location. How to get the location, Usha? How to get the location of that file? Just right click on it. Here you'll be having properties. Here this is the location. You see there, here we are having location. So you copy this entire thing, you come here, you paste here. This must be written in single quotes or double quotes. Now after this I'll give Usha underscore tuition dot text. Okay, it's a text file. So I'll close this. I'm I will I will open this one in the read mode. Okay, I will open this one in the read mode. Okay, so after this, type enter. Now you see there, here we have to give 2 slashes like this. We have to give 2 slashes. Every operating system will be having its own path. Okay, say what is a mistake? Can you tell me what is a mistake, Usha? Here we did not specify the drive. What is the name of the drive? E drive. I'll come here. I'll go to the 6th. You see there, right click, properties. You see there, I have missed E colon. I have missed E colon. So I'll go here, E colon I'll give. Okay. Now after this, I'll come to the end and I'll type enter. Now f dot read. F dot read. Okay. See here, whatever there that was in the file. Okay. It has been printed. We are reading the content of the file. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಉಷಾ? Okay. Okay. Now say if I want to write something into this, okay, what we need to do is, first we need to close the file. After doing any operation, we need to close. F dot close. Okay, F dot close. Type enter. Now again you need to open. You need to open. Say I have opened, but this time in write mode. Okay, so I'll type enter. I have opened in write mode. Now f dot write. I can give whatever I want. Hey, I'm changing content. Writing content into file. Okay, close this. Okay, close this and type enter. Now how many characters I have written? 52 characters have been written into the file usha.txt. Okay, so if you close this, f dot close. Say now you go to that location. Usha.txt. You open this. You see there, it has been written. Hey, I'm changing the content, writing content into the file. Okay, so here we are using one more method like write. After opening the file in write mode, we are writing whatever the previous content is there, that will be deleted. Okay, say for example, if you want the existing data, along with that, if you want to add the data, we need to write append. Okay, so we need to open the file. In which mode we need to write here, Usha? If you want to write the data in the append mode, a. Okay, it is A. It's not C, it is A. Okay, it must be opened in append mode. Say I'll type enter. Now f dot write. So I'll write, I'm adding extra content to existing data. Okay, close this, type enter. Now 43 characters have been written. Okay, now if I want to check it, f dot close. Close it. Now go here, you browse it. You browse it. You click here. Say here. You see there. I'm adding the content to the existing data. This is the thing which it has been added. I'm adding extra content to the existing data. Okay. Now, if you want to read one more time, okay, I need to open. First, it must be opened in a R mode. Okay. Now, f dot read. Say if I want a single line, I'll type enter. It is printing all the lines. Say if I give one line, okay, the first line is empty one. After this, we need to close. Okay. So all these are file handling functions. See here, if you want to create a new file, it must be opened in a X mode. Okay, it must be opened in X mode. Say, for example, I'll create a new file. F is equal to open. I'll give the new name, new file, or new tuition underscore file dot txt. Okay, close it. It must be opened in execute mode. Say I'll type enter. It has been opened. If you want, you can write. If you want, you can write here. If you want to check it, go to that location. You can check here. Somewhere I have created. What is the name of the file I have created? New tuition file. Okay, just you refresh it. If you have the option like refresh, or else I will open one more time. I'll cancel all these things. I'll cancel this. Okay, now I'll open. You see there the file which I have created. It is somewhat slow. Okay. After M, we will get N. Still, I did not complete the operation. Okay. So I'll write some content into that. Here I am new file. Enter. 17 characters have been written. I will close it. Okay. So I'll type enter. I'm creating a new file. Simple. Say I'll close this. Oh, we need to specify the paths. Okay, 1 minute. We need to specify the path where we want to create. Say this entire path. This entire path needs to be copied. Copy. Say I will paste here. Instead of Usha tuition, it is new tuition. Okay. Now it must be opened in execute mode. After this, enter. Now I'll close it. Now you check here whether it has been created or not. New tuition file. You close here. 6M In this directory I have created a you see there Usha, it has been created new tuition file, new tuition file. Okay, are you understanding Usha? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಉಷಾ? Okay, you can see here I have created a file, new tuition file. If you want to write content into that, if you want to write content high into that, okay, what I need to do Usha? If I want to write content into that, I need to open that file. It must be written like w mode. Okay, you see there, it must be written in w mode, w. Okay, you see the arrow mark. After this you type enter. You need to use a file object dot write. Here you need to give the content. Okay, here I am typing, I am passing data, I am passing data, okay, into new file, into new file. Okay, close it, close it. Now f dot close, f dot close. So it will prompt you, it will prompt you how many number of characters have been written into the file. 36 characters have been written into the new tuition file. Okay, close it, close it. You check there, go here and you open this file. You see there, here I am passing data into the new file. It has been written, it has been written. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಉಷಾ? Okay, now the next concept you are going to learn. The next concept is classes. The next concept is class. Okay, so do you know some idea about class Usha? C++, it is in C++. Do you have some idea about class, what the class is? Okay, so class is a, you can write here, you see there, class is a user defined data type. User defined data type. It has attributes, it has attributes and methods. Okay, it has attributes and methods. Okay, if you take the C++ example, if you take the C++ example, class student, class student. Okay, now here we need to write within brackets. I'm writing with respect to C++, just to revise you. Okay, so here you'll be having private, here you'll be having private. Okay, here you'll be having int roll number, then char char it's a name, name of array. Okay, now here you'll be having public, here you'll be having public. Methods, here you'll be having methods. Get data, put data, get data, put data. Say you must specify the return type, you must specify the return type. Void, it returns nothing. Okay, similarly here also void, it returns nothing. Say after this you need to close. Okay, you need to give semicolon at the end, you need to give semicolon. Now if you want to create an object, student s or student, say Raj. Okay, I'll create one object, Raj. Okay, now tell me what is the class name and what is the object name, Usha? in this in this in this statement, what is the class name and what is the object name? Raj is attribute. No. See here, Raj is Raj is object. Raj is object. Okay. Student is class. Student is class. Okay. Now student is class. Similarly, roll numbers. Roll number, name are attributes. Okay. Roll number, name are attributes. Now methods. Get data, put data are methods. Are methods. Okay. Please type me. Please type me methods. Please type me methods. Get data and put data. Get data and put data. Okay. Get data and put data. Okay. Now, whenever you are typing get data and put data, here you need to give brackets. So why we are creating class? Because why we are creating class? Because it encapsulates both the data and operations. Okay, both the data and operations. Let me take you one more example. Let me take you one more example. Say class human. Class human. Okay. Now private. Human will be having a int legs. Okay, two legs. Similarly, int hands. Okay. Now public. Now public will be walk. Okay. It returns nothing. It returns nothing. Here I need to give. Here I need to give print. I'm walking. I'm I'm walking. Okay. Close this. Now white talk. Okay. White talk. Now print. I'm print. I'm talking. I'm talking. Now close this. Now I want to create a human object like human. Hello. ಹೇಳಿ ಉಷಾ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಉಷಾ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸರಿ ಉಷಾ, ಓಕೆ. ಬಾಯ್ ಉಷಾ. I have a hero.